Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're plunging right into the innovative world of Airtable and how it can revolutionize your software bug tracking process. The first step in using Airtable for bug tracking is to create a new base. Click on Add a Base, then Start from Scratch. This is your central hub for tracking all bugs. Why start from scratch? It gives you the freedom to customize your base to perfectly suit your project's needs. Now that we've done that, let's move to setting up your main table. Click on Add a Table. Name it something like Bug Tracker, and here is where you'll log all the bugs found in your software. The reason we do this is to have a central, organized place to keep track of all bugs and their status. Next up, we're going to add columns to your table. These columns will represent different aspects of each bug, like bug ID, description, status, and assigned to. Click on plus next to your first column and name your column. Repeat this process for each column you'd like to add. This helps us because it provides a detailed overview of each bug at a glance. Now let's fill in the rows with bug details. Click on the plus at the bottom of your table to add a new row. Each row represents a single bug. Fill in the details in the respective columns you've created. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is organizing and storing this data, ready for you to filter, sort, and analyze. Finally, it's time to make use of Airtable's powerful sorting and filtering features. Click on the Sort or Filter button on the top right and set the parameters as per your need. Let me explain why this matters. This step not only helps you to prioritize your bugs, but also to keep track of the bug's life cycle, from detection to resolution. And voila, you've successfully set up Airtable to manage your software bug tracking. This innovative tool, when used correctly, can streamline your bug tracking process and make your life as a developer a whole lot easier. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.